definitely one of the most insane things I've ever bought for the car. When I see this and I think about car parts and just relative price, I feel like the sub $2,000 was not nearly enough. Now, I have mine. So now I have no issue saying that. But I just feel like this is an insane value. So just looking at it, we're looking at about an inch. This is about an inch thick. I bought the splitter that sticks out 2 inches from the bumper, that when you scrape, because you surely will, the splitter itself is protected. I mean, everything is just so nicely made. Everything has a texture to it. You can feel when you've got something good on your hands. The money, the weight, the hassle to install everything, I think it's all gonna be worth it. Figure it out. Because I'm really eager, I'm going to inconvenience myself pretty heavily by taking everything out of these bags to look at them and see what the whole kit is gonna look like, just sort of sitting here on the table. These brackets are really nice. I like the zinc plated hardware. Now that I think about it, there's not really much to see as far as like putting this kit together and just sort of looking at it. Most of the stuff in the box is just hardware. And then you get your templates. I would recommend just getting this as a full kit. I don't recommend thinking like, oh, I just want the splitter, or maybe you just want it for the look. I think you should go for the whole kit just to make sure that you have every base covered, get the most performance out of it, because it's still gonna look cool, even with the performance. And there's no use trying to save money by not getting the complete kit. You should just get the whole thing. I'm just gonna sort of torment myself by not being able to put this on the car.